Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mandy. I like to talk about makeup panning, nail polish, and things happening in my real life. Today I have an update for Deck of Panning. This is a project that was created by Emily and Max, so stay tuned. Alright, this is Deck of Panning. This started on January 20th and goes until December 20th. It is a panning game that was created or inspired by a booktuber called Books with Maddie, and it was adapted from her To Be Read list game. I don't know, I haven't actually watched it. But you are to use a deck of cards, draw 5 cards, and Emily has created a game board with prompts associated with each of those cards, and each month the prompts shuffle and rearrange, except for the face cards. They stay the same. So let's get into what I'm working on and what I'm doing for this month. So the first prompt I am working on was for the Queen of Clubs, and that is in it for the long haul. For that, I brought in my NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in pure white. My goal is to use it 50 times. This is what it's looking like. It has made a little bit of progress. I have used it so far. At the last update, I used it 33 times, and over the last month, I've used it 6 more, so I'm up to 39 uses out of 50. We're getting there, slowly. I might have it finished before the end of this project. Hopefully. We'll see, but I'm going to continue working on that. The next prompt was for the Queen of Spades, which is also still in it for the long haul. All the black queens are the same, and all the red queens are the same for all the face cards. And that I brought in from BH Cosmetics, this Totally Plastic palette, totally snatched from the yeah. Anyway, it is this. I'm working on this bronzer shade here. My goal is 50 uses or finish, since it does have pan, and so far I have used it 12 times. At the last update I had used it 7, and over the last month I have used it 5 more. So we are up to 12 uses. I don't think I'm going to get this done before the project is finished, but I will keep working on it and make progress. The next is for the 2 of Clubs, and that it was at that time represents another project. I brought in a prompt from Emily's other project, Project Graveyard. Project Graveyard. And so for that I brought in this blush from The Balm, and it is from their Will Powder collection in the shade Perseverance, and my goal is to use it 10 times, and so far I have used it 6. As last month I had used it 3, and I've used it 3 more times. So that is something else that will be staying in. You sensing a theme? Nothing's really leaving. And then last month I was able to roll out 2, and I brought in 2 new prompts. The first one is for the Jack of Diamonds, a random letter generator, and I got the letter F. So I went through all my eyeshadow palettes and pulled out the first one with a shadow starting with F. This is my Pink Heart palette, I'm calling it. You can see what it's really called. And I am working on the shade FUCK, which is this one right here. My goal is to use it 10 times because the Jack is a face card, and that to me is 10 uses. And I have used it 0 times. I have not touched it yet, so I'm looking forward to it, but I haven't got to it yet. And I will hopefully get to that in the next month or 2, before the end of the project anyway. And then finally, the last prompt I'm working on is for the 7 of Spades, and that was something that is not cruelty free. So I brought in the Maybelline City Mini palette. This is in the Concrete Runway colorway. And I randomly selected shade number 6, well, this blue shade here, and since it was a 7 of spades, I decided I would use it 7 times, and I have not used it once. So, you know, new things haven't gotten to yet. I'm working on things that have been in other projects for longer to get those out. You know how it all goes. You gotta strategically work on what you can. So that is 5 products I'm currently working on, and I decided to punish myself, so I'm going to draw 1 new card, because that's the fun part of the project, is drawing new cards and getting new prompts. So I have got my deck of cards here, and I have 1 joker pulled out. The other one is in here somewhere. You know, it's in there somewhere. I'm not going to look for it. So give me a moment to shuffle these and pull up the game board, and we will pull a card. Okay, you can see the glare of the board I have pulled up in front of me, so I'm going to shuffle 2 more times while I look at this. So we have largest category, matches eye color, pattern, spray, graveyard, whole collection roulette, wish you returned, why won't I go together? Okay. Oh, that didn't work. Sometimes I fail at shuffling, especially when I'm not looking. Oh, the shame. Okay. And we're going to cut the deck and pull the first card, which is the 10 of Diamonds, which is SPF. Okay, 1 second while I get a prompt for that. Okay, that took me no time at all, because I currently only have 1 product with SPF in it that I'm aware of. And yeah, it is quick and easy. I am bringing in my Sun Balm Face Lotion with SPF 50. I use this every day that I do skincare. So I'm going to bring it in for 2 times this, 20 uses. That should be easy peasy. And yeah, that is it. Otherwise I could do 10 uses, but that's too easy. So we'll do 20. Anyway, rationalizing things. When you see this project, this video, I will currently, at that time, be undergoing oral surgery to remove my molars in the first stage of receiving dentures. I am sharing this at the end of the video in case you make it this far. Please give me 2 hearts, 1 blue, 1 purple, for wishing me luck and a speedy recovery, and to let you know that any videos posted after this will be pre-recorded, and hopefully I will be back to recording shortly, but it may be a month or so. So I appreciate you, and look forward to seeing you again soon, or you seeing me again soon. Until then, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I will see you when I see you. Bye.